Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's guide, I'll show you how to get a student discount on an Apple MacBook so you can save on your next purchase. Let's get started. Step 1 is to visit the Apple Education Store. Open your browser and search for Apple Student Discount or go to Apple's Education Store. Click on the first link that appears and browse the list of the Apple products eligible for student discounts. Look for the graduation cap icon, which indicates a discount. Step 2. Choose your MacBook. Click on Mac and select your preferred MacBook model, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and more. Scroll down to see education savings applied to the listed price. Click Select to configure your MacBook with storage, memory, and other options. Step 3 is to verify your student status. Apply requires you to verify the student status using Unidays and choose your ID. From there, log in and sign up your student email and provide proof of enrollment. Once verified, the discount will be automatically applied to checkout. Step 4 is to complete your purchase. Click Add to Bag and proceed to checkout. Choose your preferred payment method and pay upfront with your credit or debit card. Use Apple ID or Apple Card for 3% daily cash and 0% APR financing. From there, review your order and then click Place Order to complete your purchase. That's it. You successfully used the Apple Student Discount to save on your MacBook. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.